To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture or name to access your profile. Next, tap on the three dots next to the Edit Profile button. Then, select Turn on Professional Mode from the menu. Review the features, then confirm your choice by tapping Turn On. Now, review the basics of Professional Mode, then tap Next. From this page, tap Next again. Choose your default audience. Then tap Next. You can edit the settings for the public audience, or use the default public audience settings by tapping Confirm. Review the monetization tools, and then tap Next. Explore the various professional tools, and then tap Next. If you don't want to add a frame and share an update to your feed, uncheck the box, and then tap Next. You will then see an on-screen notification confirming that you are ready to start using Professional Mode. Tap Go to Professional Dashboard to access professional tools. You will then see a weekly challenge to help you gain new skills and grow as a creator. Tap on the Analytics icon in the top right corner to access more insights. From the pop-up menu, tap Explore on your own. Professional Mode unlocks advanced tools such as audience insights, monetization options, expanded reach, a professional dashboard, and enhanced security, transforming your profile into a creator or business page. Now, go back to your main profile and refresh the page. You will then see a new option called Professional Dashboard on your profile. If you want to turn off Professional Mode, tap the three dots below it. From the list of options, select Turn off Professional Mode. On the next page, tap Continue to finalize. Review the details, and then tap Turn Off. The Professional Mode has been turned off successfully, and your profile will return to normal without losing any previous posts. So that's how you can turn on and off Facebook Professional Mode on your profile.